glossier Broadway productions, di ba? Nakikita, and that's the whole purpose. That's the way it was. That's the way it was during the time of Jean Cocteau and Simone de Beauvoir in Paris. That's the way it was during the time of Henry Miller in Broadway. We, in the Philippines right now, we're just echoing that whole current of dissent and resistance and alternative thinking, which is happening in the world, which has happened since time immemorial in the art scene. Yun talaga ang papel natin. Kaya nga, ang akin, if we can just rid ourselves of the burden of popularity. Rid yourself of that burden of popularity and just do the good work. Kasi if you burden yourself with, I'm not being seen by 7 million
Post with the fans. Post with the post with the put the post post with the fans. Post with the post with the post post with the fans. Fans.